Hi Natalie, my name is Galia and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is it's content. So make sure on the home page you have more than 1500 content because Google loves content. As you see, is not enough content here. Is also make sure the pictures are saved in the right way, and inside the content you have right keywords. And then the second thing I want to talk, it's a citation. If we come here on the Google, we can see Google guaranteed ads. Then we can see these ads here, but now it's 50-50 because a lot of people have ad blockers and some people see this and some people can't even see this. And then here we can see the map pack. So what is citation? It's essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition has. And what you get, they have, you want to get what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in their search. Now we already covered content and citation, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as you see, Yelp here, and expertise, the home advisors. These are a lot of big national companies that taken up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole websites, it's all about ice cream shop and ice cream stuff. It's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at my of these tools, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. I can see you have 22 referring domains, and that's gives you 109 backlinks. You are getting found for the 213 organic keywords, and out of keywords, you are getting 197 people on average to your site each month. Just to compare, let's go to competitors. Do you see they have 826 referring domain? That brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, and they found for this more than 7,800 keywords. And out of keywords, it's like more than 18,000 people on average they get on their site each month. So these numbers are very doable to boost these numbers, and we specialize in this. And if you want to know more how we can help you, you can please contact us. And so that's pretty much it what I had today in this video, and I hope it was educational for you. So if you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, Natalie, and have a great day.